In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to save video in CapCut. To be able to save video in CapCut, it's very simple and very basic to do. The very first thing I want you to do, I want you to open up your CapCut on your phone. So let's open up my CapCut. So once you open up your CapCut, it will take you to your CapCut interface where you get to edit your videos. So let's say this is the video that I want to save. As you can see, we have this video already. So let's assume that I want to save this video. You're not going to tap on export. If you check the top, you can see at the top right corner, we have where it says export all HD, and by the left we have an X icon. So we are not actually here to maybe you are not actually done with editing of this video, but you want to save this video for future editing, or so that you can just come back to it and edit it later. So how do you save it to be able to edit it later? You are not going to tap on export, which is by the right. You are going to check the top left corner. You are going to see an X icon over there. So I want you to tap on that X icon. So once you tap on that X icon, it will take you back to the home page of CapCut, and your video will be successfully saved. As you can see, we have the video over here. The video has been saved on our CapCut successfully. And mind you, this video has not been saved yet in our gallery. It is only saved on CapCut, so that we can actually come back here whenever we want to make any adjustment or any editing on the videos. So guys, this is how to actually save video on CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.